video of the rain.
Alright.
Where I go, right?
Yeah.
Popping it too.
Holy shit. It's like we've got a good storm system here. But no, we just went through like...
We punched the core.
Yeah, we punched the core, but we just went through this puddle.
God.
It was basically like that log ride at Six Flags with all the water.
It had to be at least 4 inches of water in it.
Yeah, there was at least 4 inches of water.
Shit, I can barely see.
Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. Like, low-lying areas are flooded right now.
We're under a floodwaters.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna drive in the central part. There's no cars in
Volcanoes and shit. Yeah, that's what's happening out of that window. Yeah, that's Gary.
Alright, where are we going now, Gary? Right?
And those are lights. Yeah, Alright. The rain is letting up just a little bit. I spoke too soon.
Look at that car right there, dude.
Up here on the left.
On the left?
The car is going through a bunch of the puddle on the left and spewing gallons of water onto the side of the road. Amen. And these dudes are like driving by at breakneck speeds.
Breakneck speed. That's
I'm just
the way
waiting
I
for this
break it.
motherfucker to go by.
No, these guys are driving by at parade tier speeds. Alright, we're pulling into a parking lot.
Hurry up, hurry up. Go by. Hurry up, bitch.
And,
I'm not looking at you. Motherfucker, you better be looking where you're going, bro. Alright, we out. We here.
Bird feeding. What? That's the stupidest thing to do. Not only bird feeding.
You get some good pictures once the storm goes by us. Because then you'll see the end of the storm in the clouds and shit.
You can have your phone back now.
Yeah, dude, this is probably one of the top 5 heaviest rains I've ever seen.
Amen.
Okay, that was not a good idea.
What?
I just put
You
it
just like cracked it down a little bit?
over there. Should be all right because the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing the rain that way.